Hey there, I'm Mr. Rock. You may know me from my hit sitcom from the 1990s. Some kind of Mr. Rock sitcom show. That was the official title. So, yeah. Allow me to introduce a new segment from False Eye Studios, a new type of show called Do You Remember? I don't know. Maybe. I can't really tell. But, yeah, so, do you remember Animal Planet cereal? Wild Animal Crunch? Or Crunch? That was a thing from the mid 2000s, I believe. And, look at some trading cards on the back, and, came in 3 animal shapes: dolphin, elephant, and turtle. So, that was some pretty sassy business. So, that's it. I didn't have much planned for the video. Go home! Go home!